especially to our junior learners, and to Precious who stands here with me today. This torch is not just wood and flame. It carries our lessons, teachers' wisdom, this torch carries our lessons, teachers' wisdom, and hopes of our alma mater. 2 years ago, we were there where you are now. Older students passed the same torch to us, imparting knowledge, inspiration, and showing us how to lift each other up. Now, juniors, it is your time. As I give this torch, may you be remembered that this is a symbol that means giving knowledge, inspiration, sharing wisdom, and inspiring the next generation. Precious, as I give this torch to you, may you be reminded that this torch is not just our tradition, but it is also our school's promise. As I give this to you, may all of you keep the fire burning bright and radiant. Thank you and God bless.
To our respected administrators, teachers, juniors, and seniors, and to our visitors, and to Ate Edna. It is my honor to accept the torch of knowledge from our grade 12s and seniors. This torch symbolizes the values, wisdom, and responsibility that you now entrust to us. On behalf of the junior class, we thank you for being our inspiration and for leading us with dedication and integrity. As we receive this torch, we promise to carry it with pride, to continue striving for excellence, and to uphold the values of our school. May this torch guide us as we move forward and prepare to become the next leaders of our school. Thank you and good afternoon.